I'm gonna be rating EAS alarms from different countries, part 3. This is the third part. If there's any alarms I have missed again, so let me know. Note also, if I have rated the wrong alarms, do not rage at me. Enjoy. It's a 6 out of 10. It's not scary. Germany's 3 out of 10. Sounds like a vibe. Iceland, 10 out of 10. Cuba, 2.8 out of 10. Sounds like a Morse code. Poland, negative 2 out of 10. That is an excuse. Guadalupe gets 11 out of 10. Latvia gets 20 out of 10. That's very scary. Slovenia, 1 out of 10. The alarm is less scary, although this alarm sounds like an alarm from a horror movie. India gets 6 out of 10. Egypt gets 4 out of 10. I guess this alarm is quite scary enough for Egyptians. Ivory Coast, 4.5 out of 10. Venezuela, 9 out of 10. It's a little scary. Thanks for watching. I can do part 4 of the alarms next. Please subscribe.